From the soaring peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the sun-drenched swamps of the Everglades, the United States of America boasts an astonishing array of landscapes, and within these diverse habitats thrives an equally diverse collection of animal life. Join us now, if you will, as we embark on a thrilling journey across this vast nation to encounter some of the most iconic and captivating creatures America has to offer. Prepare to be amazed by their beauty, their power, and their remarkable adaptations to the environments they call home. From the skies to the seas, from forests to deserts, get ready to experience the wild side of the USA. Soaring high above the tree line, the bald eagle, with its distinctive white head and piercing gaze, is a majestic sight to behold. This magnificent raptor is deeply woven into the fabric of American history and culture, a symbol of freedom and power. With a wingspan that can reach an impressive 7 feet, the bald eagle is a master of the skies. They're often seen circling over lakes and rivers, their keen eyesight scanning the water below for signs of fish. Once spotted, they swoop down with astonishing speed and agility, talons outstretched, to snatch their prey from the water's surface. But the bald eagle's power is not solely reserved for hunting. These birds are fiercely protective of their young, building massive nests high in the canopies of tall trees. Both parents share in the rearing of their offspring, fiercely defending their territory from any perceived threat. The sight of a bald eagle in flight, its white head gleaming against the blue sky, is a truly awe-inspiring experience. It is a reminder of the wild beauty and untamed spirit that still exists within this nation. As we move further into the heartland of America, we encounter another iconic creature, one that embodies the spirit of the Great Plains. Once numbering in the tens of millions, the American bison, or buffalo, roamed the grasslands of North America in vast herds, their hooves thundering across the plains. These massive creatures, with their shaggy brown coats and powerful shoulders, are a true symbol of the American West. Sadly, by the late 19th century, overhunting had driven the bison to the brink of extinction. But thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, these magnificent animals are making a comeback. Today, seeing a herd of bison grazing peacefully on the prairie is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Their deep bellows and the thunder of their hooves remind us of the wild spirit that once defined this land. Our journey now takes us deep into the wilderness, where we encounter a creature of immense power and solitude. In the dense forests and rugged mountains of North America reigns a creature of immense power and presence, the grizzly bear. With its massive size, reaching up to 1,500 pounds, and its distinctive humped shoulders, the grizzly commands respect from all who cross its path. Despite their imposing stature, grizzlies are surprisingly agile. They are adept climbers, scaling trees with surprising ease, and are often seen wading into rivers and streams to fish for salmon, their powerful claws raking through the water with deadly precision. Grizzlies are solitary creatures for much of the year, fiercely defending their territories and food sources. However, during the salmon spawning season, these normally solitary animals gather in large numbers, their interactions a fascinating mix of dominance displays and surprising tolerance. Observing a grizzly bear in its natural habitat is a privilege, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. But it is a reminder, too, of the importance of respecting these creatures and the wild spaces they call home. From the mountains, we descend into the swamps and bayous of the southeast, where danger lurks beneath the surface. In the murky depths of swamps and rivers across the southeastern United States, the American alligator reigns supreme. This ancient predator, a survivor from the age of dinosaurs, is a master of stealth and ambush. With their powerful jaws studded with rows of sharp teeth and their heavily armored bodies, alligators are perfectly adapted for a life spent lurking in the shadows. They are opportunistic hunters, feeding on fish, turtles, birds, and even the occasional deer that ventures too close to the water's edge. Despite their fearsome reputation, alligators play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their burrows provide shelter for other animals, and their feeding habits help to control populations of prey species. To witness an alligator gliding silently through the water, its eyes just above the surface, is to catch a glimpse of a prehistoric world. a reminder of the ancient forces that have shaped the landscape of our planet. Across the northern reaches of the USA, the haunting howl of the gray wolf echoes through the forests and mountains. This highly intelligent and social animal, once hunted nearly to extinction, is slowly making a comeback, its distinctive call a symbol of wilderness reclaiming its hold. Gray wolves are highly social animals, living and hunting in packs led by a dominant male and female. Their cooperative hunting strategies are a marvel of nature, taking down prey much larger than themselves through a combination of stamina, cunning, and coordinated attack. But the wolf is more than just a skilled predator. It is a keystone species, playing a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the ecosystems it inhabits. Their presence helps to regulate prey populations, which in turn has cascading effects throughout the food web. Soaring high above the rugged cliffs and canyons of the American West, the California condor is a majestic sight to behold. With a wingspan that can reach nearly 10 feet, it is the largest land bird in North America, a symbol of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Once on the brink of extinction, the California condor has been the subject of one of the most intensive and successful captive breeding programs in history. Slowly but surely, these magnificent birds are making a comeback, their distinctive silhouettes once again gracing the skies of the West Coast. To see a California condor circling overhead, its massive wings carrying it effortlessly on the wind, is to witness a conservation success story in action. It is a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, there is always hope for the future of our planet's biodiversity. Silent and elusive, the mountain lion, also known as the cougar or puma, is a master of stealth and camouflage. Ranging from the Canadian Yukon to the tip of South America, this adaptable predator is equally at home in forests, deserts, and mountains. With its tawny coat blending seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, the mountain lion is a true ghost of the wilderness. It is a solitary creature, preferring to hunt alone under the cover of darkness. Its prey includes deer, elk, and even the occasional livestock, which it takes down with a deadly combination of speed and agility. Though rarely seen, the mountain lion is a vital part of the ecosystem, helping to keep prey populations in check and ensuring the health of the habitats it calls home. In the warm, shallow waters of Florida, we encounter the gentle giants of the sea, the manatees. These large, slow-moving creatures, often called sea cows, are herbivores, spending most of their day grazing on seagrass and other aquatic vegetation. Manatees are social animals, often gathering in groups to graze and socialize. They communicate with each other through a series of chirps, whistles, and squeaks, their calls echoing through the water. Despite their size and slow-moving nature, manatees are surprisingly graceful in the water. They use their powerful tails to propel themselves through the water, their flippers helping them to steer and maneuver. With its striking red coat, bushy tail, and cunning demeanor, the red fox is a familiar sight across much of North America. This adaptable canine thrives in a variety of habitats, from forests and meadows to suburban backyards. The red fox is an opportunistic omnivore, its diet consisting of rodents, rabbits, birds, insects, fruits, and berries. It is a solitary hunter, relying on its keen senses of hearing and smell to locate prey. Known for its intelligence and adaptability, the red fox has learned to thrive in close proximity to humans, often taking advantage of food sources found in urban and suburban areas. Few spectacles in the natural world are as awe-inspiring as the annual migration of the monarch butterfly. Each year, millions of these delicate creatures embark on an incredible journey, traveling thousands of miles from Canada and the United States to their wintering grounds in Mexico. The monarch's striking orange and black wings are a familiar sight across North America during the summer months. They flutter from flower to flower, sipping nectar and playing a vital role in pollination. The monarch's life cycle is a marvel of nature. From tiny egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly, each stage is a testament to the power of transformation and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. As we've journeyed from coast to coast, we've witnessed the incredible diversity and splendor of America's wildlife. From the soaring bald eagle to the elusive mountain lion, these creatures remind us of the wild beauty that still exists in our world. Each species, no matter how large or small, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. It is our responsibility to cherish and protect these incredible creatures for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this adventure into the heart of America's wild side. Let's work together to ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive for generations to come.